Okay, Nordstrom, what do you got? Oh, what is this? This is an HD VR. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Was not expecting that. These golden buttons. Okay, just a little guy. You have an install date on you? Oh, really? Really? Oh! Really now? January 2002 VR. Well, that's not quite what I was expecting. You fucker used to be low-pitched. What happened to the good old days? Oh, damn, I tried to catch the button going out. Why is everybody releveling in this mall? I love this little, like, gold brush. You used to be low-pitched, you motherfucker. God damn it. Oh, sunset. And that's it.